What's up, everybody? Welcome to Southern Motor Company. Also, welcome to Charleston Car Videos. I'm Chad. I've been right here on YouTube now since 2011 on this channel. And we're gonna walk through and take a look at a really cool little car today and let you see it. And then we're gonna take it for a test drive. Now, what I'm gonna tell you right now in the beginning of this video is I wanna let you know, if you are out there trying to search and find a car to buy for the first time ever, you've never financed a car before, this might be the type of car you need to consider. Now, let me explain why when we get in the car here, okay? Because we're gonna take it for a quick little drive and talk and give you a little bit of basic information. Now, it might not be the information you really wanna hear at the end of the day. So, you know, I'm in the car business, been in the car business quite a while, since 2001. And all the time people come in and they go, hey, I'm looking at the Jeep Wrangler over there. I'm looking at the Maserati. Looking at whatever car it may be, right? Usually people are looking at the cars that are cars that everybody would like to drive, right? I mean, who wouldn't want to get behind the wheel and own a Maserati over there, or a Jeep Wrangler, or BMW, or a Porsche, or whatever it may be, right? Everybody would like to drive one of those cars, right? But not everybody gets to drive one of those cars, right? That's right, not everybody. I don't. Maybe you don't, maybe you do, I don't know. But what I'm gonna tell you is you can drive one of those cars over there, you can. It is possible for you to do, but you have got to figure out a way to get to the level of being able to drive and own one of those cars. It just don't happen overnight, okay? You know, we see the eye candy and everything and we want it. Of course we do. I mean, I'm looking at it all the time out here. Look at all these beautiful cars, right? So anyways, what I'm gonna get at, here's the thing you need to think about for a moment. If you have never had a car loan before and you don't really have a whole lot of credit, or maybe you got a little bit of credit from a low credit card or something like that, and your credit score is in the mid to upper 600s, maybe even 700, and you think to yourself and you say, wow, my credit score is looking pretty good, I can go buy that BMW over there. Well, let me tell you, you might not be able to do that. Probably won't be able to do that 9 times out of 10 because you've never had anyone loan you $20,000, $30,000, okay? So what you got to do is you got to go out and buy a car that you probably really don't want to drive and own and pay for, but you're going to have to do that. So try to find something. Even if it's a less expensive car, try to find something you actually do like. I mean, I'm not telling you to go out and buy a car and pay payments on a car that you really don't like, but try to find something that you can live with, okay? So if you like the little blue Nissan Versa, maybe that's one you'll go with. But what you're gonna need to do to be able to actually get one of those types of cars for the first time, you're gonna need to have a super strong co-signer with a absolutely fantastic credit score, okay? Mom or dad, brother, sister, somebody living in the same house as you. You're gonna need, again, 700, 750 beacon and up. If you don't have that, you're gonna need probably at least half or more of the money down. That's right. So if the car's 20,000, you're gonna need to put probably 7 to 10 down. If the car's 30,000, you're gonna need to put $15,000 down. If you're in that situation, well, congratulations. You might be able to buy that Jeep Wrangler over there. But if not, you may need to look into buying something like this right here. Okay, this is a car that is a 2015 model, so you need to find you a car that's around 5, 6, 7 years old. And then you need to find you a car that doesn't have super duper high mileage on it. Try to find something under 100,000 miles. And really, the only realistic way you'll find a car that is under $15,000 right now in 2023, the only way you're going to really be able to find a car that's got under 100,000 miles like this here, 85, and not super duper old, is you're going to have to find a small little car like this. Something that just didn't cost a whole lot when it was new. Even like the little Kia Soul right over there. So I just want you to think about that. Get this car, finance it for 3, 4, 5 years, whatever the case may be. If you can pay it off early, hallelujah. But get it. Use it to build your credit. Don't make any payments late. Make those payments on time. Do not get 30 days past due on your payments. Make your payments on time. even if you just decide you're going to pay on it for a year. If you think you can pay it off early, great, but keep it at least 1 year and pay every single payment for 12 months on time. But I suggest you keeping it for 1.5 to 2 years, okay? Get those payments paid, then you can come back in, sell this car, trade it in, use the money that the car's worth after you paid it off, okay? And if you get really close to paying it off, let's say you owe around $4,000 or $5,000 on it, well, then you can go trade it in, right? But use this car to help you get to the next car, because this $12,000 car, next time, a few years from now, you'll be able to bump up to the $20,000 car. You get what I'm saying? Just keep moving up the ladder. If you're young right now and you're 16, 17, 18 years old, you can do it. By the time you're 23, 24, 25, you'll be driving something super duper nice, and everybody will look at you and go, wow, he or she's got something really smooth and slick. I like it. And you'll be feeling real good, okay? So think about that. While you're young, just get something to drive to get you back and forth to work. Also, when you're financing, you're going to need to have a job. I'm not saying you got to have a full-time job, but you need to be at least making, on paper, at least $1,500 to $1,800 a month. Okay, so make sure whatever job, where you're at, McDonald's or Starbucks or wherever the case may be, make sure you're making at least $1,500 to $1,800 a month on the job, even if it's part-time. You got to be able to show you got some income coming in, okay? I know you're probably going to college and all that, but again, you got to make a little bit of money there so the bank can see that you can pay the payments, pay the car insurance, and still live your life. Think about all that. Thank you again. Have a great day. I'm Chad. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Get in that comment section. Leave me some comments, some feedback. If you got a different opinion on this whole thing, let me know what your opinion is on it. We're all here to look and read and work these things out together. Thank you.